Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name's Lawrence, and I'm here to show you some origami. This week, I'm showing the origami coaster. A simple and decorative way to protect a table, and also something you can use as a frisbee if you desire. To start, just going to get a square made, as I've already done. And all we're doing is first folding it in half, as you always do with a plane. Then, all we're doing from there is folding those. Right, there you are. And unfold. And then, one to the triangle. Corner to corner, and once again on the other side. Alright, so from here we repeat what we've the folds in the middle as we would do with a plane, and the reason for the cross folds is actually preliminary folds. It helps with the form. Similar to our birds, all you're going to do is fold that inward, and then what you should do is, as you fold that round, just try and keep it into the triangle form. That's all we're going to do. Alright, so I'll do that again on the other side. So, yeah. The reason I did the triangular fold, it helps keep the form on this side here, so it stays flat and straight. Okay? Then we do it again. So, as I say, just following the form. Then open and flatten. Try and keep that in line, and try and keep this as flat as possible. Okay. And once again. There we go. And there you have it. You've actually made the coaster already. But from here is your choice of how you want to display it. If you want to just keep it as simple as possible, you make two of these, slot them together, and then you've made yourself a simple coaster. But the one I'm going to show you today is a bit more decorative. The first one I learned, which were a love heart coaster. So what you do two of these, and then from here, you turn it over and you fold those rounds. You're just turning the pages essentially. That way you've got the two legs. Alright, doing it again. And the two legs. So we're on the point again. All we need to do from here is a very small set of folds, okay? Just to get the shape. So one there. One there. And then we do one there. Which I should have done first, but as I say, we all make mistakes. And yep, same then. So as we should have done first, sorry, was first you do this fold, which is just a simple right angle triangle, so corner to corner again. Keep it nice and flat, all right? Then we do the fold on the side to latch those down. Then we do one last fold to get the shape of the heart. Okay, just a small triangular fold downward. Okay, very small one. And there we have it. So as you can see, I've got 2 hearts on both sides, and then all you do is make a second one, and then slot them in together. So there, and there. So as you can see, all it is just a quick simple set of folds to make two pieces of paper slot in with each other. From there, you just choose a 4, or think of one, and then see how you can decorate it. You can even add a few stickers, a few drawings. As I say, you can just draw on a piece of paper and make it into origami. So it's up to you how you wish to go forward. But I do know these work to try and save a table from a few spillages. Especially making that the tissue, they can sometimes even soak up the spillage. So however you want to go forward with that one. So this week's challenge I've been trying to think of is actually how much can you make from one piece of paper? You can see all these pieces of origami, everything I've shown you in the last 6 weeks. All of this I can make from a single sheet of paper. I can make this out of an A3 piece of paper, I can make it out of an A1. I can make it out of the tiniest piece of paper, we got a piece of receipt. You do what you think is challenging, and then it's a great way to practice, great way to pass time, and it can just be a fun get together with the family. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and please like and subscribe if you do. Farewell.